The first solution involves running the Network Troubleshooter. Begin by right-clicking on the Start button and selecting Settings from the menu. Once in Settings, navigate to the System tab. On the left-hand side list, find and select Troubleshoot. Then, choose Other Troubleshooters and click on Run that corresponds to the Network and Internet Troubleshooter. This tool will automatically detect and attempt to fix common network issues. Our next solution is to update your network drivers. In the Windows search bar, type Device Manager and open it. Within the Device Manager window, expand the list of network adapters. Locate your specific network adapter, which might be listed as something like MediaTek. Right-click on it, select Update Driver, and then choose Search Automatically for Drivers. Windows will then search for and install the latest available driver for your network hardware. Another effective solution is to disable IPv6. Press the Windows key and the R button together on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. This will open your network connections. Right-click on your active network connection and select Properties. In the Properties window, locate the entry for Internet Protocol version 6 and uncheck the box associated with it. Click on OK to save the changes. Finally, we have the option to reset your network settings. As before, right-click on the Start button and select Settings. Navigate to the Network and Internet tab from the list on the left. In the right pane, scroll down and select Advanced Network Settings. Here you will find the Network Reset option. Click on Network Reset, and then confirm by clicking Reset Now. This action will remove and reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.